What if you could take any 2D image, a photo, a sketch, and just poof, turn it into a full 3D model? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today we're diving into Hitem3D, an AI tool that's doing exactly that. It's not just changing the game, it's basically throwing out the old rulebook entirely. And that's the core promise, right there. You feed it a single image, could be a photo, a napkin sketch, some cool concept art, and what you get back is a high-quality, totally production-ready 3D model. It honestly feels like magic, but nope, this is just where creative AI is at today.
Okay, so why is a tool like this such a big deal? To really get it, you have to understand the old way of doing things, the traditional 3D creation challenge. For like decades, 3D has been this kind of high-walled garden, you know? Only a select few really had the keys to get in. I mean, if you've ever fired up a program like Blender or Fusion 360 for the first time, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That feeling of just being completely overwhelmed. It's just a sea of menus, buttons, technical jargon. Making even a simple cube can feel like you need to watch hours of tutorials, let alone trying to build something complex. And that really sets up this huge contrast, right? The old way, it's slow, it's super technical, you gotta be an expert. But this new AI approach, the one Hitem3D is all about, it's fast, it's simple, and it's for anyone with an idea. Yeah, and this quote from a 3D printing enthusiast just nails it. This isn't just about making things a little faster for the pros. It's about completely tearing down the wall for everybody else, all the people who have amazing ideas but just don't have the time or background to learn that super specialized software. So, that's the problem. Let's talk about the solution. Hitem3D was basically built from the ground up to solve these exact frustrations. So what is it? At its core, Hitem3D is a specialized AI from a company called Mathmagic. It's powered by their own custom models, things called Spark 3D and Ultra 3D. And these models are trained to do one thing, and do it incredibly well. Look at a flat 2D image and figure out how to build a detailed 3D object from it. Okay, theory is great, but how does this thing actually work? Let's get hands-on and walk through a few examples. We'll see what this platform, especially with its latest update, can really do. All right, so the newest model is V2.1, and you just need to remember one number, 60%. 60%. That's how much faster the new fast mode is. Something that used to take, say, 5 minutes, now you're looking at just 2. And it's not just about going faster, which is already awesome. V2.1 also slashes the cost for each generation in half. Now, if you're a studio or an indie dev using this a lot, that is a massive deal. It makes creating top-notch 3D content way more affordable. Let's actually see it work. Check out this awesome mecha concept art. The whole process is, well, it's dead simple. You upload the picture, you pick the new V2.1 fast mode, and you click generate. That's it. Seriously. And the result? Whoa, it's incredible. We're not talking about some vague, lumpy blob here. This is a clean, super complex mesh that's kind of like the digital skeleton of the model, with almost 2 million faces. Every little detail, from the armor plates to the wings, it's all there, captured perfectly from that one flat image. Okay, a sci-fi robot is cool, but what about something really intricate, like architecture? For the next test, we're going to throw a picture of a Chinese pagoda at it. And this time, we're not just asking for the 3D shape. We want the full 4K texture too. Now this is a real stress test. And wow, look at that. The result is just stunning. A super detailed, multi-level building, all generated in a matter of minutes. This quote here really puts it into perspective though. Think about it. An asset like this would take a professional 3D artist days, maybe even weeks to model and texture by hand. We're talking about weeks of work, crunched down into maybe an afternoon. So we know the AI can handle robots and buildings, hard surfaces. But what about maybe the hardest thing to get right in 3D, the human face? Well, for that, Hitem3D actually has a totally separate, dedicated portrait model. Yeah, this model is trained specifically on faces, skin, hair, all of it. And the latest V2.1 update makes it even better, with more accurate facial features and more natural-looking proportions. It's perfect for things like creating custom avatars, game characters, or even super detailed busts you can 3D print. Look, making a cool model is one thing, but for anyone doing this professionally, that model has to actually fit into a bigger workflow. And that's something Hitem3D was clearly designed for.
It bridges that gap between just making a thing and getting to a final usable asset.
It's way more than just a simple image to 3D converter. It's a whole production toolkit. You can slap on AI-generated textures with one click. You can create detailed 3D reliefs, which is great for stuff like engraving. You can even automatically split up your model into different color regions for those fancy multicolor 3D printers. And yeah, of course, it exports to all the standard formats you'd expect.
And this is what makes it so powerful for pros. Hitem3D doesn't try to make you ditch your favorite software. Nope, it plugs right into it. It has an API and plugins for tools like Blender and Comp UI. So this amazing AI just becomes another powerful tool in the workflow you already have. And this whole approach, making things powerful but accessible, is clearly hitting the mark. Creators all over the world are using it. We're talking makers, artists, engineers in more than 50 countries. It just goes to show how valuable this is across a huge range of creative fields.
And the use cases are just wild. You've got game designers cranking out assets, architects visualizing buildings, jewelers designing new pieces, VFX artists adding stuff to movies. It's just a massive testament to how versatile this tool really is.
I think this last quote really gets to the heart of it all. This user calls Hitem3D a paradigm shift. And they're right. It's this idea that we can finally hand off all the complex, tedious, labor-intensive modeling stuff to an AI. And that's really the big takeaway here, isn't it? A tool like this lets creators stop wrestling with all the technical weeds and spend more time focusing on what actually matters: the idea, the vision, the story. It frees you up to be the artist, not just the technician. So whenever technology lowers the barrier to entry this much, it always leaves us with just one big question. With a tool this powerful, this easy to use, right at your fingertips, what are you going to create?